Hey folks, it's Doug with ITK Culinary, and today I'm going to show you how to blanch carrots. Blanching is one of those culinary techniques that really helps out, especially if you're in a pinch for time. There's so many people now who want to do food prep for the entire week and be able to make their meals on one day and have it over a course of 3 or 4 different days. When you do vegetables are one of those items that it really starts deteriorating very, very quickly if you don't cook it fresh every single day. With this technique, what we're doing is we're gonna blanch these carrots. And by blanching, we're gonna cook it probably 80–85% through. And then we're gonna introduce it into a water bath, and that's gonna shock it. We got some ice in here right now. We'll get a little bit of water in it. But right now what I'm doing is I'm slicing the carrots. And if you take a look at the carrots, I'm trying to get them to be all about the same size. You want that consistency because you want it to cook at the same rate throughout your dish. So right now we're just kind of doing a little quick slice of these carrots. And I can use these carrots for 5, 6, 7 different recipes. All right, so that's about it for now. I'm getting these carrots, I want to put this into a little colander, strainer. So once I have the carrots into the strainer, I'm going to put it straight into the hot water. It's going to cook for 3 or 4 different minutes. And I just want it to get nice, bright, and orange. And at that point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out and put it into the water bath. And what that's going to do is going to stop the process. Now I can use the carrots in whatever recipes for the entire week. So by doing this, I'm going to save time each day. Instead of having to peel carrots, heat the water, I do it once a week, and I can use it for 4 or 5 different days. So come back next week, you'll get another time-saving tip. You've been served.